It's RoboPro 9000. Hey everybody, my name is RoboPro 9000. Last time I saw the Play Your Part at Theory Workshop 2024 in My Singing Monsters, so I decided to make Vhenshun. It's my territory. So I used Vhenshun for the suitcase wheels and the whole shell and the face and my piano seats, my drumsticks for the saw to make the saw, then rub it like on the drum, and then make the whistles from the blockage field. Look. And this was so good, it was a 100 out of 100. Now let's start by using track 1. Turn up the volume. Okay, now for track 2. Whoop, missed it. Ugh. Hey! Hey! That was good. Thanks for all. Bye. Hey! I just wanted to join my Singing Monsters Emerson Play Your Part 2024.